So what if I have a problem like this? Okay, how do I use order of operations on this one? Well, it's still the same process. I'm still going to start in the same place, but along the way, I'm going to have to make sure that my numbers are either all decimals or all fractions. And it's always going to be easiest to make sure that they're all fractions because, remember, we can convert a decimal to a fraction really quickly by putting the division bar under it, counting the number of numbers to the right of the decimal, so 1, and that's how many zeros I put below it, and then I put a 1. So 2.6 becomes 26 over 10. And now I've got all fractions and I can just work this out like usual. So I will start with my parentheses, 1/3 divided by 1/4, and I find the reciprocal of 1/4 and multiply. So 1/3 times 4 over 1 is 4/3. So now my problem is 1/2 plus 26 over 10 times 4 over 3. And of course I can simplify this, 26 over 10, they're both even numbers, so I could divide them by 2 and get 13 over 5 to make my life a little easier along the way. So now I'm just going to do my, keep working my steps. So I'm going to do multiplication or division left to right. Here's a multiplication problem, 13 over 5 times 4 over 3. So I get 52 over 5 times 3 is 15. 52 over 15. And now I'm going to go back again and I have 1/2 plus 52 over 15. And I just keep working out the problem like I usually would. 15, so then I would find common denominators and add just like usual. I think I'm going to end up with 30ths here. So 15 times 2 is 30, 52 times 2 is 104. 2 times 15 is 30, which means I take the top by 15 and I get 15 over 30. And then I would just add these up and I would end up with 129 over 30 as my answer. So just the same steps we've always done, parentheses first, then exponents, multiply and divide left to right, and then add and subtract left to right. But remember, if you're dealing with fractions and decimals, everything needs to be in the same form, all fractions, all decimals. And as you go through, it's going to help if you simplify the numbers at each step.